Hello, I'm just going to show you quickly how to add keywords to the images. So open your folder, start at the beginning with the images, click on, I'll open a new one just to show you from the start. Click open, open with Photoshop. Click file, click file, click file info, click template, click add template, clear existing properties and replace with template properties. OK. Replace this word here with 2%. Copy this word. Copy. Paste the keyword here. Paste. Add keyword here. Paste. And then hit comma and write 2%. Then click OK. Then click File, Export for Web Legacy, International Standard RGB, Metadata All. Make sure All is checked. Metadata All. Make sure the file's sitting around 500 kilobytes as previously. Everything else, you can have a look, mate. Pause this part of the video if you want. Quality 50, 3000, 3000. Quality bicubic sharpener. Click save. Click save. And then here it will add you. Do you want to replace? Just click replace. Save. And then, for example, let's pick one with a word instead of a number. Because with the numbers, we need to capture the number and the word in the metadata. So let's go with, let me scroll down. So this one, file, open with Photoshop. Okay, file, file info, template, and just add that little additional, so with this one and the others, just add one long tail keyword as well containing our keyword. You can just save that as a template and then just have this as a variable keyword if you want. And then just click OK. And file, file info, template, file, say export, save for Web Legacy, quality 50, internet standard, metadata all, 3000, 3000, quality looks good, save. Click save. Do you wish to overwrite, replace? Done. Okay, mate. Hopefully this is exactly what I need. Keywords add in, one standard keyword, one long tail keyword, plus the title and the title, description, one normal keyword, one long tail keyword, okay, and then save that image. Alright, mate, thanks. I'll send that video to you right now. Bye.